The walk and winging shoes
Wow.
Sir Jojo Bergay.
Ay, iba! Diba? Very grand.
Grand afternoon to
Very
everyone.
afternoon.
Hello po.
Ano ba?
Hello to all the viewers and the fans of Miss International Queen Philippines and MIQ, of course, in the whole world. Thank you so much for continuously supporting the pageant and empowering more to join and be part of this organization.
Hello po sa lahat, magandang hapon. Nandito ang mga pinakamagaganda na mga ating mga kaibigan sa inyo. Hello po sa lahat.
People, hello.
Sawari ka!
Sawadi ka!
Message to our delegates competing for tonight's MIQPH All-Stars.
Well, as cliche as it sounds, as I always say, just enjoy the whole competition. I know I was able to train them for just quite a few hours lang sa Braga's flagship store a few weeks ago, a week ago I think. I get to see the personality of the girls, and I mean this is All Stars edition also, so everybody's ready. Whoever will represent the Philippines in the international stage, I know she will do her best also. So just enjoy the whole show.
So Jojo, yes, message natin for our delegates competing for tonight's
So akin just have fun. And I was able to talk to Miss Alisa last night. And kinanong ko siya kung ano yung gusto niya, yung vision niya for MIQ. And what is important, is it beauty, is it the body or intelligence? And I got a pretty much very good insight on the kind of winners that she's looking for. So I think isa yung sa mga hahanapin ko. So ngayon, just be yourself. Just enjoy the night.
How about you, our grandest Jojo? Ano bang hinahanap natin sa winner?
The most grand.
Hinahanap
The one and
ko-
only ba ito?
Or the most. Ang hinahanap ko somebody who can represent us sa international stage, lalo sa MIQ, di ba? Kasi nga, napaka-grand ng staging ng MIQ. And,
Yeah.
beauty and brains, yeah. Beauty and
Ayun.
Sir Jo, aside from the grand beauty, ano pa yung mga dapat abangan namin sa Bragalis?
MGI All-Stars, of course. So, andito kami ni CJ ngayon, nagsimula na ang MGI All-Stars. So, supposed to be, we're flying today dapat, but because siyempre si Miss Michelle yan, hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan. So, andito tayo, mas pinili muna natin dito. So, papanawad, sorry.
See you soon.
See you soon. Lipat kami sa inyo.
So, kailan ba yung grandest launching ng ating pasabog?
Nang alin po.
Ano nga ba? The winner ng
ng All-Stars.
No, but
Can
I
you
think it's gonna be the launching also
Yun
of
nga.
the shoes, the new shoes for All Stars.
Ayun.
Wearing the
Dahil
bag.
dyan, may tatanong ako, dahil mainit-init, ikaw na daw ba talaga ang bagong may hawak ng grandest pageant in the Philippines?
Kasagutan. Silence speaks here.
Hindi naman. Malalaman na lang natin yan kasi hindi naman natin alam kung kanino talaga
Okay.
bibigay, di ba? Because I've been hearing and seeing some names na nagre-resurface regarding sa issue na yun. Pero kung ibibigay man, ibigay. And kung sa iba man mapunta, we'll see. For now, MJ All-Stars muna ang, I think, ang mas kailangan at tinututukan namin at doon.
Sorry sir, but how many percent is that ibigay kung ibibigay for Jojo Bragalis? How many percent is that?
That we don't know.
Parang
That's gonna
nagkamali
be a
na nasa
surprise.
crush.
Let's see.
We'll see. Because I love you all, but pagbigyan niyo muna ako ngayon, lahat ng pwede kong sabihin ngayon ay pwedeng ikasama at ikasira ng aking buhay. Thank you.
Pero if ever ba, masasama ba kami sa grandest launching na yan, ang mga pageant media?
Of course naman.
Ay, inamin!
Everywhere and anywhere.
Kung saan man siya mapunta or kung ano man ang mangyari, syempre, alam niyo naman yan eh. And thank you so much for the love and support sa Bragais all throughout. And kung tatawid man tayo sa mga panibagong journey sa buhay, dito sa pageantry life ng Bragais, and of course kayo ang isa sa mga unang makakaalam and masasabihan. And I think time na rin natin to, I mean for the longest time, if I'm gonna be more vulnerable towards what is happening in the pageant industry. Madami ang mga nangyayari na I would say na not so.
Ang galing mo talaga, no?
Yeah. So, siguro if there's something man nasisimulan, siguro mas maganda na i-include ng pageant media because kayo ay umiikot, nakakasama ang mga iba-ibang pageant queens. And I think it's about time to create something na mas involved kayo in shaping the industry na magkakasama tayo. So, I think
Thank you so
Speaking of
much.
involvement, sir, for CJ, kasi po kilala po kayong matalik magkaibigan. So, ipag-ibigay po ba ito kay Sir Jojo ay malaki, hindi ka na host ngayon, isa ka na sa mga, ano,
I wanna be on the stage, pero ako sumali ulit ng Miss Grand. Hindi, but I mean, whoever, I mean, if there are really changes, big changes with the grand pageant or whichever line of pageant we have in the Philippines, well, I think everybody knows I jumped from one competition to another competition, which I say all the time na parang home ko na din Bikini, Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Grand. So hopefully, kung saan man po kumapad-pad, they'll be able to embrace me wherever, whenever. I'm just here to support all the Filipina queens, the organizations. So hopefully,
So, magja-jump ba ulit ako sa CJ o Piazza?
yeah, ayan na yan.
magja-jump ako papuntang Thailand sa 80. So see? Yeah.
Cut.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sayang naman.
Nabasbasan na ba?
Bas.
Oo.
Picture sa dalawa.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Ben. Thank you, Ben.
Thank you so much po.
Showbiz.
Ang galing mo